10, 9, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. And over small crest, 3 left long. Into 4 right, no cut. And 4 left long, tightens. And 5 right opens. Into 7 right, no cut. Into 5 left, and over small bump, 2 left. Then 2 right into 7 left. 100 line. 3 right into 7 right. 7 left. 80 line. 3 right long, 100. 2 left, then 5 right and 7 right long past junction. Tightens. Opens into 3 right, 200. Small crest, 4 left into middle over junction. Then 2 left long, 3 right, 100. 2 right and 4 right at quarry. Bump. 4 left through posts. Into 3 right, no cut. Bump. And 7 left. 80. 3 right. And 2 right. 200 line. 3 left, no cut. 3 right. And 3 left, 3 right. And crest rightish. 2 left, then turn 7 left. New logs. Then 7 right long. And 2 left, 80. 4 left long, opens. Tightens to 5 at crest. 130. 4 left, 100 line. Middle over junction and 3 left long. 2 right, 2 left, and long crest, stay mid, 100. Caution, crest, 5 right, no cut. Deceptive. Into sharp, 7 left. No cut. 250 line. 2 left over small crest. 4 right. Tightens to 7 at trees. Very long. Into 2 left long. Tightens to 7 in dip. Opens. And 4 left, no cut. Opens, 200. 4 right, tightens to 7, no cut. Tightens. And 3 right. Then 4 right into sharp, 8 left. Into 4 left. Then small crest, 2 left, 80. 8 right, no cut. Long. Into 4 left. Tightens to 7. Long. 100. 4 right and 5 right and 2 left. 100. 2 left, 350. Caution, 7 right at dead tree. No cut. Then 3 right into 8 left, no cut. And 3 right. And 4 left past junction, no cut. Then 2 right, 150. 3 right, tightens to 5, loose. Then 2 right and 3 left, tightens to 7, loose. And 5 right over finish. And small crest, 2 right. And 5 left.
Oh,
What a way to finish.
I think they were at the end.
Yeah, I think so too. Well done, Mike.